Will now be recorded.
Yeah, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we discuss about loops. Loops are iterations, classroom attendance, how teacher calling attendance in the classroom, and how you are picking up fruits from the basket, and how you are collecting pens from the pen box. The same way, the loop is going to be iterating. Start with the first one, ends with the last one. There are different kind of loops which are available in JavaScript. While loop is there, do while is there, for loop is there. Let's work with the while loop. How while loop will work out. 1 second, just give me 1 second. First while loop. Let me take new program. Save it as while loop. While underscore loop dot html. Okay, let me take the HTML while script. Okay, so initialize the value first, where I is equal to 0. Initialize the value while condition I less than I less than 10. I less than 10. Then print I. I value is going to be printing, and immediately what my requirement is, I need to be increment. I need to be increment.
Sir,
Yes, Anita.
I less than 10. You have written one, so
Okay. I less than 10.
infinitely.
So execute it now. Open live server. Okay, so where I'm printing this? Oh, I'm working like Python. Console log, console.log. Number of Python classes are going on. So that is the why reason Python is not removing from the mind. Okay. Now you can see console. Open the console here. I can able to see 0 to 9 values. Loop is iterating. Loop is iterating. So 0 to 9 till 0 to 9. For example, if I start I value 1 less than 10, condition satisfy. If condition satisfy, it will enter into the block and console.log value print. Then I value incremented by 1. Now I value is 2. 2 less than 10, again enter into the block, printing, incrementing by 1. In that way, this loop will iterate and the value is going to be printing here. Am I clear? While loop, it's very simple, straightforward. Next, do while. How do while will be? Do while. Do while dot html. Do while. Okay. So here same process is same, but little bit change. I value is 1. Do the do the block first. Do the block first. Console.log console.log I, then I plus plus. Concept is same, but condition checks at end of the block. While hmm, I less than or I less than 10. Semicolon compulsory. Semicolon compulsory for the while. Do your statements first, then check the condition. Then check the condition. Okay. Open the live server. Output is same, there is no change. Output is same, there is no change. Am I clear? So both are same. You can work with the while loop or you can work with the do while loop. Better than do these two things. One more loop is there, that is a for loop. This is comfortable one. This is a comfortable. There is one more thing called for in also there. For in. I will tell you for in also. First we go with the for loop. For loop. For loop dot html. Okay. For loop. Script. Directly you can write the for loop. Directly inside the parenthesis you can initialize the value where I is equal to 0, I less than 10, or I is equal to 1, I less than 10, semicolon, I plus plus. Initialization, checking condition, increment, decrement. Everything we are doing in the single statement. Everything we are doing in the single statement. That is basically for loop. 1 second, just give me 1 second. Now directly you can go with the console.log I. That's all done. Open the live server. Open the inspector. You can see 129. Same process, but compared to the while, do while, for loop is most faster. Compared to the while, do while, for loop is most faster, more faster. You can use for loop. You can use for loop directly then. One second. Hmm. Next loop is for in. Okay, for example, in this for loop, what my requirement is, I have some names. Okay, where names is equal to. Let me go Ramya, Anita, Mohansh. Three names are there. Three names are there. Or let me take the one more name, Santosh. I want to iterate all these names. How I can iterate all these names? On top of the document I want to print. For where I is equal to 0, initialize the value with the 0. Definitely 0 is compulsory here. Why? Because that is array. From array, index based grabbing. I less than names.length names.length I plus plus. So here I want to print document.write. Okay, print I. Then if you want, you can print like break also. Document.write break. Now you can see what is the output of this. 0, 1, 2, 3. Why only numbers coming? What are these? What are these numbers? Ramya, what are these numbers? Anita,
Index.
index. But I want to receive the names. What I can
I
say?
of 0. I of, oh, sorry. Names of 0.
Names of I. Yeah, exactly. Names of I. So names of I means 0th value print. Names of 1 means Anita will print. Names of 2 means Mohansh will print. Names of 3 means Santosh will print. Now, Ramya, Anita, Mohansh, Santosh. That's all. Very simple. That's all very simple. Straightforward. Okay. In this way, you can able to do. But lengthy, this is a lengthy code. Huh? This is lengthy code. Instead of writing this, I can go with the foreign. I can go with the foreign. I will explain foreign now. Foreign dot HTML. Start with HTML. Foreign. Let's go to the script. Same names I will take. Same names I will take. Now for where name in names over document dot write name. Can you see this? Again same process. Names of name. Names of name है ना? Names of name. Okay. Everybody there, but I want to take break. Document dot write take break here. That's all. That's all. Very simple, straightforward. Instead of writing the I is equal to 0, I less than, array dot length, then I plus plus. Instead of all these things, foreign. This is fast enumeration. This is fast enumeration compared to the for loop. This is fast enumeration compared to the for loop. Now you can able to see the same output over there. Ramya, Anita, Mohansh, Santosh. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So come to the for loop one more time. Come to the for loop one more time. There are two important concepts. One is like break and continue. Break, continue keywords. Break, continue keywords. What break will do? Break the loop. What continue will do? Continue the loop. Continue. Continue loop by skip the value. Okay, I will tell you how this break and continue will work out. New program, save it as break continue dot html. Okay, now let's take the program, take the html, break continue. Okay, let's have the loop now. Let me take the for loop. For I is equal to 0 or I is equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. Hmm. If I is equal to 5, if I is equal to 5, break the loop. If I is equal to 5, break the loop. What it will do now? If I is equal to 5, break the loop. Otherwise, document.write or console.log, whatever it may be. Console.log I. Hmm. Now let's open the live server. Open the console. What happened? What happened? We need to keep this one top.
For, in for loop, where we have to declare nested for I.
Or here. No need. No need actually.
No need. Okay.
No need. The error is actually uh, we need to check with the equality, double equal to.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I is 5, automatically loop is breaking. When I is equal to 5, automatically loop is breaking. Or I want to check with the continue. Copy this, comment it, paste it. If I is equal to 5, continue the loop. If I is equal to 5, continue the loop. Then clear the console, clear the console.
Don't stop is in beside down. Yeah, that
1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, you have to write this one down. Now
yeah.
5 is actually not available. 5 skip. What continue keyword is when some statement is going to be checking like, then particular value will skip. Remaining values will print in the loop. I is equal to 5 and I is equal to 6. Then it will not work out. Huh?
R will work out, I think.
Or
Instead of and
I want to skip two values. If I want to skip two values, what I can do?
maybe R we can try.
We'll try with R. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, R will work out. Right. 5 skip, 6 skip. And I want to skip the 7 also. Yeah, fine. It's working fine. So in this way, you can walk with the break and continue. And let's try to work out with conditions and loops combination. Okay, I want to find out the even numbers and I want to find out the odd numbers. Just check it out. Or I want to find out with name with names with 4 characters. I want to filter names with the 4 characters, something like that. Let me check how this will work out. Let's take new program, save it as conditions with loops. .html. conditions with loops. Let's take the for loop first of all. I want to check even numbers. Filter even numbers. Filter even numbers. For I is equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. In this block of the code, I need to write the condition. If I percentile 2 double equal to 0, then only I want to print the value outputs. Console.log I. Check this program. Filtering even numbers. Filtering even numbers. Two divisibles. Okay. So from 1 to 10, 1 to 10 or 1 to 9, 1 to 9, these only even numbers. These only even numbers. Am I clear? Odd numbers, same. Odd numbers, same. How to find out odd numbers? Copy this, hide it, paste it. Filter odd numbers. Not equal to 0. That's it. Not equal to 0. Okay, odd numbers only. 6 multiples I want to take. 6 multiples I want to take. How to find out the 6 multiples? Find 6 multiples. Find 6 multiples. Okay. Till 100. I percentile 6 is equal to 0. Only 6 multiples I can able to find out. From 0 to what happened?
There the condition is not equal to.
Okay. Okay, 6 multiples. From 0 to 100, 6 multiples. Am I right?
Yes.
6 multiples are going to be adding. Okay. Next, one more program we want to see here. Let's write some names here. Ramya, Anita, Rohit, Rohit Pawan. It's a big name. Rohit Pawan and Mohansh and Rajesh. Okay, I have few names here. What my requirement is, I want to find out only 5 character names or 6 character names. I want to find out 6 characters names. What the condition for this? For where name in names console.log name names of name, but here I want to write the condition. What the condition is? Find out 6 length character names. 6 length character names. How to find out 6 length character names? Any logic? Anita, logic. Ramya, tell me the logic. What we have to do for that?
We have to count the characters, that means number of characters.
Hmm. Okay, let's go with the condition. I will write down the condition for that. If names of name
Name dot length equal to 6.
dot length
Yeah.
is equal to 6, then only print this. Then only print this. This is the way. This is the way. This is the way of writing the program for this. Okay, let's execute it. Open the live server. Right click on this inspector. Only two names I got. Only two names I got. This is something like equality. But I want to filter. I want to filter the names, which is not 6 digits. Not 6 digits means what you need to say. Not equal to.
Not equal to.
Just not single.
Not equal to. That's it. Find out the 6 length character names double equal to. When I say not equal to, Ramya came, Rohit Pawan came, Mohansh came. Am I clear, guys? How this logic will work?
Yes, sir.
Same like Python. We already done these things in Python. Same like Python. But syntaxes change. Okay, so these are all about conditions and loops, and combination of conditions and loops also. We done operator, we done conditions, we done loops, we done loops and conditions combination also. Next, we go for functions. Can you start functions now?
Yes, sir.
Functions. Function is set of statements. Functions defined with function keyword. Syntax of the function should be like this. Function name, parenthesis, curly braces, open, curly braces, close. Inside the curly braces, you can write your function block. Okay, so function name have some rules and regulations. Function name rules. The first rule. The first rule. Function name is custom name. You can define any name for the function. Second rule. Function name should not start with number. Third rule. Function name do not contain spaces. One more. Function name do not contain any special characters.
Function name.
Function name do not contain any special characters. Okay, what are the special characters? This. These are all special characters. Okay, these are all special characters. Do not use these kind of special characters inside the function name. And this, and this, this, and this, One more thing, function name do not be a JS keyword. Okay, like if else, or if or else, or switch, or for. See, like this, these are the JS keywords. These are the JS keywords. Don't use function name as JS keyword. Okay, so what are the different kind of functions then? Normal function, normal function, function with parameters, functions with parameters, function with return type, function with parameters and return type. Okay, so these are the different kind of functions which are going to be available here. Can I go functions program? Understand the rules and regulations of the functions. This is the syntax of the function. First of all, function is a set of statements. Function defined with the function keyword, function, function name, parenthesis, open curly braces, closing curly braces, function block. Function name have some rules and regulations. It's a custom name. Not start with a number. Do not contain spaces. Do not contain any special characters. Do not be a JS keyword. There is a normal function, function with parameters, function with return type, function with parameters and return type. Okay, let's start with the functions. So create a function, normal function, general function, normal function. Or let's take functions, just all functions I will write here only. All functions I will write here only. Functions. Okay, let's write the script. General function, function, say hello. Just give the alert box. Hello Mohansh. I need to call the function. Okay, one point you need to remember. After writing function, note point, you can write a note point here. After writing function, we must call how many times I can able to call the function? How many times I can able to call the function?
Any number of times.
N number of times.
Number of functions.
A function can able to call n number of times. N number of times. No issues. You can call the function n number of times. Let's go and write the function. Function, just I return the function and I need to call the function. Function call. Function call. Okay, say hello. Just to say hello. Okay. If I execute it, I simply get alert box. Hello, Mohansh. Am I clear? I just written a function. You just call the function. Okay. Let me write the function with parameters. Can I switch off this? Okay. A function with parameters. Okay. Let's write a function. Function add x comma y. Two parameters. Okay. Again, this parameter. Can I validate the function first of all instead of going all these things? Can I try to write a function like with a number? Can I declare a function with a number? Can I validate it? Function one. Hello. I told you na function name do not start with a number. Automatically it is giving error. Can you see this? Can you see this? Not allowing. Can I say emp space name? Allowing a red color line is coming. Red color line is coming. So space is not allowed. Okay. If I say a keyword called if, not allowing. Emp name hyphen name, not allowing. See the rules and regulations of the function name is very important. You have to remember it. Same like parameters also. Even parameter name also same like function name rules. Whatever the rules available for the function, same parameter also. Parameter name, parameter or arguments. Arguments. You can call as parameters or you can call as arguments. Name, rules. Same rules. Whatever the rules which are available here. Whatever the rules which are available here, same rules. Parameter name, function name, whatever the rules which are going to be following. Same rules for the variable name also. Did you remember? Did you remember? Same rules for the variable name also. Variable name or function name or parameter name. Rules and regulations are common. It should be a custom name. Not start with a number. Do not contain spaces. Do not contain any special characters. Do not be a JS keyword. Right. Can I go with the, yeah, this is something like add function. Add. One when I start one it is not allowing. See, when I start one it is not allowing. Parameter name. Parameter name validation. I am checking parameter name validation now. Is it allowing? Ramya, Anita, Rohit. Parameter name also having same rules and regulations. I start with the number. It is allowing?
Not
No,
allowed.
sir, it's not allowed.
Not allowing. Okay, let me
Underscore
give
will be allowed, no, sir?
no, underscore allowed. That is obviously there. Let me write down the thing. Function name, even function name also. Function name allowed underscore. Same here also. Parameter name allowed underscore. Underscore variable, even variable also underscore allowed. Parameter name allowed underscore. Fine. Let's go. Validate. I started with the numbers. It is not allowing me. Suppose, for example, first employee, first EMP, first EMP, comma, second EMP. Allowing or not allowing? Not taking spaces. Parameter name not taking spaces. Let me try. FEMP, a special character. Hyphen is special character. Not allowing. One is the if, one is the else. Parameter names. Not allowing. Am I clear? If I use underscore, it will allow. Okay, for example, first number, comma, second number. Add first number, second number. You can add it. Summation. Where summation is equal to first number plus second number. Finally, I want to see the alert box. The alert sum. I need to call the function add of pass parameters 10 comma 20. Now plus works as arithmetic operator or concatenation operator. Now plus works as arithmetic operator or concatenation operator.
Arithmetic.
Concatenation.
These two are numbers, Ramya. 10 and 20 numbers. 10 comma 20 I am passing. 10 will store into the first number, 20 will store into the S number. F underscore number 10 is going to be storing. S underscore number 20 is going to be storing. In the function block, sum is equal to 10 plus 20. In the case of 10 plus 20, no concatenation, it is arithmetic. Okay, I will tell you. Open the live server. 30. Now tell. First I am passing 10. Second I am passing Mohansh. Now tell Ramya. Now your answer is right. Now your answer
Sir,
is right.
I'm not Shami, I'm Manasa, sir.
No, Manasa, sorry. Now Manasa, this is first number is 10. Second value I am passing Mohansh. Now it is working as concatenation operator. What is the output now? Guess.
10 Mohansh.
10 Mohansh. 10 Mohansh. Okay, that's it. Remember, this is the important thing. 10.5 or 10.6, 10.5, 20.5. Okay, so let me write a function for getting the employee details. Function EMP details. EMP ID, EMP name, salary, EMP salary. Answer. Okay. Now I want to print out all the employee names one by one. Okay. Document.write employee ID. Then can I go for break? Document.write break. Break. Write down. Next. This is employee ID. Next I want employee name. Next I want employee salary. Next employee salary. Find out. Now call the function. EMP details. Pass the values 1001 and Manasa and 20 45,000. 45,000. No, sorry, this one, second one. Now the second one. Again call the EMP details. Again call EMP details. 1002. This time Anita. Anita, I'm giving you 55,000. Next, Rohit. For Rohit, I'm giving 57,000. Finally, three employees are there. Three employee details are there. Three times I'm calling the function. Three times I'm calling the function. Then finally, what is output, guys? Better, can I use one horizontal row? HR, horizontal row. Now you can see 1001, Manasa, 45,000. 02, Anita, 55,000. How many number of times you are calling the function? How many number of times you are passing the values? That is going to be taking. Now try to remember one thing. Here in this parameters, you can pass any kind of data. Any kind of data. Any kind of data. You can pass numbers, you can pass strings, you can pass booleans, you can pass array, you can pass object, you can pass a function also. You can pass a function also. Am I clear? Try to go with some complex models. Try to go with some complex models, then you people can understand the things. Okay, so remaining function types we will continue tomorrow. I hope everybody got understand what we discussed so far today,
Yes, sir.
right? So we discussed about functions, we discussed about loops, and we discussed about the mixing of conditions and loops. These are the things. Okay, so see you signing off. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and provide the comments. If anybody not click bell icon, please click on the bell icon. You will be getting the further video notifications. Please, comments are needful. Provide your comments. Thanks for a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Manasa. Thank you, Anita. Bye for now. Have a good day. See you. See you signing off. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Manasa.